Hello guys, welcome back to La Bianca. I hope you're excited for today's video and I hope you guys are excited to get beautiful eyebrows. Today's video is going to be how to take this brow and make it like this. So I saw this specific brow kit on Superbalist and I thought, why not try it? So the packaging is very nice. You get a full brow kit in like a tin package and it opens like this. To get your eyebrow from this to this, we're going to start with step 1, and they say you take your stencils. They give you 2 types of stencils. You get this one and then you have this one. So these stencils, each side is a different shape, so you can take this one side and see which one you would like to use. For my eyebrow I chose the arched brows look 1 and it looks like this. Then in the kit they give you a holder for the stencil, which looks like this. And you place your stencil inside the holder, sliding it in like that. With step 2, you take your Precisely brow pencil. For this kit I got myself the number 3. It's a medium brown. So when you have your pencil a bit rolled out, you take your stencil and then you put your stencil down, press it against your skin and you draw in your guideline. Like that. So you see you already have a nice shape like the other one. There are a few places that doesn't have any color, so you can take your pencil again and you can just fill in just a little bit to where you want your eyebrows to start. And you can also just fill in the hairs a tiny bit. So if you want to know where your arch more or less should be, you can take the pencil. It's a nice long pencil, so you can measure from the side of your nose through your pupil to the highest point of your eyebrow there. Do you guys see? And that's where your arch more or less should be. Then you can just color it in from there and take it down to the end of your tail. So you can see this eyebrow is a bit more blocked than this one is more round. If it's like that, you can either take your foundation sponge and just softly erase and wipe it a bit round, more round, and clean it to the side and just color in the rest of the body. Okay, so are you guys still with me? For step 3, they give you a colored brow gel, which looks like this. And it has a small, like a mascara brush. So this gel is in the same color as your brow pencil. Brush your brows a bit up and make it a bit more feathery. Or you can just brush them into place. And with that, you're going to make them look a lot more fuller and color them in. Like that. Ooh, they're looking nice. And for the last step, you're going to set your eyebrows into place with the Benefit Brow Setter Gel. Now this gel is a clear see-through gel which helps you comb your eyebrows, which they're already in place, but this will just set them so they stay where they are. Because I know I have a few curly ones that does not like to stay where I put them. For the last step, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to clean up your brows. When you've stenciled them and shaped them and drawn them and set them and everything, you can take a little bit of concealer or highlighter, whichever one you have, and you take a flat round brush. Or you can also just take some of your foundation you still have. I use this plastic spatula. So you can take a little bit, just a tiny bit, on the edges of your brush, and holding it flat, using the edge, you can just on the side draw like this. Clean up any ruffles, or if you want to make it more a clean line where you have drawn your eyebrows on the top. Always make sure you blend it out if the color is different than your foundation. And then at the bottom you can take a little bit more and just make a beautiful straight line. And like that you get a nice clean and crispy eyebrow. And there we go, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy and quick and showed you guys how to get nice, beautiful and full eyebrows. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, put on your notification bell for when I'm uploading a new video, and then I will see you in the next one. Bye!